I haven't heard of this company before, but it says Live Production Solution. So you can see that they are showing off an LED panel here that is all hooked up on, it's hard to see, but it's all basically hooked on one pipe going across. So if you know how to hang pipe and some wire, you can do this kind of install in the Philippines. And because this kind of what's called tight pixel, as the tight, how do we put it? The limited amount of space between the LED lights, right? So limited, it would stop traffic. Agreed?
Mm-hmm.
This is unlike anything you guys have seen there. Yeah. So that's a very tight pixel pitch, that one. Okay, I'm going to keep going behind the scenes here at LDI to talk about digital signage here in 2023 and just show you some of the really cool digital sign solutions here.
Stop recording.
I was going to say, yeah, but you know what? Let's keep recording here just to show you a bend effect for something that you do fairly easily now for doing the inside of a building to make a visual effect. Okay. And last but not least, gamification. I think this is what you guys would love, right? You're like, wow, check it out. Okay. Okay.
So guitar
How would
here.
you like to do this for gaming? So, there they're competing. I'm going to stand back here. Cool.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay. So they're playing Walmart. No, they're, what is it called? What's the name of the game? Come on.
It's like a Guitar Hero.
Yeah. So you notice there's some branding there for Senior Frog, right? But look at all the stuff. Look at all the lighting here, right? All the things that make this reality. Except, guess what? That's not a reality. Look, even that is LED panels. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So that means you can set up a business that people walk in, they're like, whoa! But the business isn't actually there. That wall doesn't exist. It's all LED panels. How's that for wow? Okay, stop recording. We'll go off to the next location.